It was a development blueprint touching on 4 pillars, namely manufacturing, universal healthcare, affordable housing, and food security, and which President Kenyatta said would transform the fortunes of the country. The significance of the agenda reflected in the budget policy, where 400 billion shillings was pumped into the Jubilee government Big Four agenda, with 20.25 billion shillings of the amount earmarked for food and nutrition security, with a further 2.4 billion shillings meant to support value addition in efforts aimed at raising the manufacturing sector share to gross domestic product to 15% by the year 2020. On food security, the government targeted production of 2.76 million bags of maize, potato, rice and feeds in 52,000 acres by the end of 2018, with an additional 70,000 acres targeted under public-private partnership for the listed crops, cotton aquaculture and feeds production. However, Moroccan experts engaged in phosphates fertilizers, mining and processing say that any nation that wants to feed its citizenry and remain food secure must invest in its farmers. In Morocco, for instance, the phosphates company OCP is engaged directly with farmers, where it is helping them carry out soil analysis with an aim of determining what specific crops and fertilizers they can use to increase yields.
Instead of producing the standard qualities, now we are producing more and more customized products that are dedicated specifically and specially for a specific land and a specific culture. Now our strategy is to work more and more close to the farmers rather than selling in the market standard qualities.
This has in effect seen agriculture remain a key contributor to Morocco's economy, accounting to about 15% of GDP in 2016. The sector generates nearly 40% of employment and over 10% of exports, and the industry's development plan has benefited both agricultural productivity and resiliency.
The most important is to choose the suitable fertilizers which suit the soil, not just what is available in the market. And our strategy in OCP is to identify the best fertilizer that match with the soil. And this is the key for the improve the yield of the soil.
Experts say that Kenya can benefit from the skills and technology transfer from Morocco, which controls 75% of phosphates reserves in the world and processing 40 different types of fertilizers exported to Africa, Europe, Asia and the Americas. Theirs is a conviction that farmers can only benefit when the government shifts focus from just subsidies to a responsible growth and innovation strategy that supports them and other stakeholders in the entire agro-business ecosystem.
One of the key elements to develop our business, we are conscious that is innovation. And innovation means that you have to be innovative in terms of quality and also in processes. If you want to develop a special quality, you have also to find the right technology that can offer you this quality. At OCP, as I said, we are very conscious on the role of innovation, and we are doing this in several steps. First, we have research and development centers, where in the laboratories we develop the new formulas and we try to find what are the elements and the ingredients that are suitable for this quality.
And Kenya, just like Morocco, can achieve its Big Four agenda by interlinking the 4 pillars through innovation and skills acquisition. For farmers to get good crop yields, then soil analysis is key. This is according to the experts. Reporting from Jos Lasfar warehouse of fertilizers in Morocco, my name is Halligan Agade.